variance relief will be consistent with the other 117 townhomes in the community. We're going to adhere to the architectural requirements that were imposed with the original townhomes, and we feel like this fills a nice void along industrial that really doesn't lend itself due to the dimensions and other restrictions, including the fact that it's in a flood zone. We feel it fills that spot very nicely. It's consistent with the other part of the residential and blocks the internal of the community from Hanover. This is a rendering of what is called Building A in your materials, although it admittedly may be hard to see because we have a lot of notes that we need to get on the plan. This would be at the corner of Industrial and Hanover. You'll see the welcome sign noted. This would be about 2,800 square foot retail or office on the ground floor, and then 4 apartments above it on the second and third floor. We envision for the retail and the commercial in both buildings a mix of, we're hoping for maybe a coffee shop in Building A, maybe some professional work, ideally a scenario where an architect maybe takes the ground floor and then lives above it. That would be ideal. We're going to look for opportunities like that. This is Building B, which is at the corner of Hanover and South. And this would have 4,500 square feet retail and commercial or retail and office on the ground floor, and then 8 apartments above, 4 on the second floor and 4 on the third floor. And then probably could have tackled this earlier, but this is the rendering for the welcome sign. Nice quality brick.
Is it the sign itself in the middle? Is that a masonry project or is it a decal over like a PVC material?
I believe it's going to be a mason project. That's our intention.
I was wondering if, I know a lot of signs, when you come into a town, it has like established such and such a year. I wonder if something like that could be put on that. I mean, you know, was it 17? Yeah. So I wonder if something like that could be, welcome to Pottstown established, or.
I'm sorry, Casper, I didn't catch the beginning of the question.